Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Sage Intacct, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Sage Intacct account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your financial overview. Select the planning module from the available options. Click on Budgets to initiate budget creation. Choose the Create Budget button to start a new budget scenario. Fill in the budget name and description to identify its purpose. Select the appropriate fiscal year for the budget you are creating. Define the budget type based on your reporting needs. Choose the relevant entities if you are budgeting for multiple departments or divisions. Set up the budget currency, ensuring it aligns with your organization's needs. Review the predefined budget templates to see if one meets your requirements. If necessary, customize a template by editing the existing lines. Add line items to the budget by specifying accounts or departments. Input the projected figures for each line item based on historical data and future forecasts. Utilize the copy from prior year feature if applicable to speed up the process. Make sure to allocate budget amounts monthly, quarterly, or annually as needed. Incorporate any expected variances or adjustments into the budget plan. Use the review option to check for any discrepancies or errors. Adjust figures as needed to align with organizational goals. Once satisfied, approve the budget for final submission. Save your budget and generate a budget report for documentation. Regularly monitor and update the budget as actual data comes in. Utilize Sage Intacct's reporting tools to analyze budget performance throughout the year. Engage with team members for feedback on budget adherence and necessary adjustments. Keep an eye on key performance indicators to measure financial health. Utilize dashboards for a real-time overview of budget status. End by reviewing the entire budgeting process periodically for improvements. This systematic approach will help you effectively manage your organization's financial resources. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.